I first learned about Islam during my school years. The schools in Japan generally teach history. I learned about Islam in one of these history classes. I learned how Islam was established and the culture and greatness of the Muslim empire and how it affected the whole world. As I learned these, I began to have more interest in Islam. Even though I did not have much information about Islam, it shook my soul to the core. My life has changed greatly. Now I abide by the laws of Islam. I pray 5 times a day and fast in Ramadan. I believe that these rules are important and one needs to follow them. Other Muslims tell me that for those who have newly become Muslim, following all the rules would be difficult. They tell me not to force myself. But since I am a Muslim, I feel that I need to be volunteering to follow all of these rules.